As an Australian brand, Ingrain passionately curates their in-house, locally designed vanities and shaving cabinets to seamlessly blend modern flair with timeless elegance. This ensures their products encompass both great quality and stunning aesthetics. Today we'll be introducing the Ingrain Grooved timber vanity. Displayed here is the 1200 Grooved vanity, showcasing a grooved timber veneer front that will add interest and depth to your bathroom space. The natural ash timber front has matching melamine end panels and a matching timber grain interior, which sets the vanity apart. There is ample storage with one large drawer on the 750ml and 900ml vanity sizes, and two drawers on the 1200 and 1500ml sizes. Inside, you will find high-quality, soft closing drawer hardware. The push-to-open drawer function provides a seamless design, allowing the beautiful grooved front to take centre stage. The grooved vanity is constructed from moisture-resistant plywood for superior strength and durability. All Ingrain vanities are constructed with a full back panel, which allows for greater points of connection to the supporting wall and greater strength and support to the whole cabinet. The top of your vanity can be customised to your preference. You can select from Ingrain's range of 12mm sintered stone bench tops, or you can opt for no top if you prefer to source your own. The sintered stone bench tops are available in 4 finishes: Carrara white, grey veins, mixed grains and pure white. Sintered stone is a 100% natural product with no acrylic resins or binders. It also offers the strength and appearance of natural stone with a stunning satin feel textured touch. All Ingrain bench tops are pre-cut to suit above counter basins and options for either bench mounted or wall mounted taps. This means that there's no requirement for the installer to cut the bench top on site, which can be tricky and require specialised equipment. Dive into the world of Ingrain exclusively at the Blue Space, where design meets unmatched quality. Contact us today to bring the timeless beauty of this vanity into your space.